it. So this confirms it. There is no doubt there's a tornado on the ground just south of Akron.
South Bend. Maybe getting closer to 3 or 4. Very light and fluffy snow. So there's the center of the cold. It is right over us, but it moderates and pushes out of here.
Here with me. And Matt, how much longer will the Carolinas be feeling the effects of Florence? Quite a while.
Yeah, that's the problem. Days through the weekend, and that's what Florence. Left number here is temperature. Right number is wind chill. Watch the time. Tomorrow morning, well below zero. We're talking 20 to 25 degrees below zero with wind chills around 50 degrees below zero. You will notice here temperatures start to moderate, but not much. Still Thursday, really dangerous cold. The leaves are starting to look really pretty. It's taken a long time, but now these cooler temperatures have really done their number on the trees, and they'll start to lose their leaves. But at least we get to see the colors. If you're into this, you like to travel to see them, is this backward C, what we call a bow, getting flat. That indicates the winds are not quite as excessive. 4, 6, 8, up to 10 inches of snow, with the bullseye being Chicago. Why is that important? Sunday and Monday are one of the busiest travel days of the year. Take the kids, take your parents if they're interested in this, and just tour it. You don't have to, I mean, it doesn't cost. They ask for a donation. It's awesome. Thanks for chatting. I appreciate it. Good luck tonight. Your 2 shows tonight, 3 tomorrow. Best part is you get in the gates, you pay your admission fee, you get to sit in the bleachers. So I'm not really worried about tornadoes, but this product's real good to give us an estimate of winds. And right around North Judson, pushing over towards Bass Lake, this here would be winds probably 40 to 50 plus miles an hour. So always impressed by that.
I love
Penguins are just the coolest. All right, I'm going to go on a tangent, so I'll try to catch myself here because I just love animals. Here's a live look.
Your accurate first alert weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Matt Rudkin.
So we serve about 13 counties in northern Indiana and southwest Michigan, and tonight is literally split by the state line. Here we are in South Bend, it's quiet, clear skies. You make your way up north, even Bangor, so that's Van Buren County, doesn't look too bad. You go just a little bit south, it is a full-fledged winter storm here in Dowagiac with limited visibility, significant snow, blowing and drifting. Even those of you in Indiana who haven't seen additional snow, you're still getting the blowing snow, especially rural areas with a lot of farm fields. The wind is howling and all the snow is really light and fluffy. But our Michigan friends continue to pile it on, especially Waterville, Paw Paw Lake, Decatur, Dowagiac, Cassopolis. Once you get down to Berrien Springs, Stevensville, and Bridgman, that whole area and communities in between continues to get hit hard with lake effect. And all of West Michigan, for that matter, dealing with a lot. Between Holland, Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, real heavy snow up towards about Big Rapids as well. That's why our friends at the National Weather Service in northern Indiana have winter storm warnings out for our 3 Michigan communities or counties until tomorrow midday. Everybody, including our Michigan counties, under a wind chill warning in dark blue. Wind chill advisory for the Ohio River, so downstate, and really everywhere you look. This massive area of real estate is dealing with life-threatening wind chills and temperatures, especially dark blue. You get down here in the light blue, it's still an issue, but not as bad as the dark blue areas. This is it. These are not wind chills. These are air temperatures. We've seen this for a week. It's incredible how well the computer models we use to base forecasts off have really done with this system. This is the cold air we've been talking about. I don't even have any more colors. White's as far as it goes, and the temperatures continue to fall beyond that. Locally, we're below zero in many locations, 3 below at the South Bend International Airport, 3 below in LaPorte, 2 below zero. Right now in Valparaiso, winds are very breezy. These are sustained, not gusts. Gusts around 30 miles an hour. You factor that in, what it feels like or what your exposed skin will react to is about 25 to 30 below zero. And these numbers are still going to go down another 20 to 25 degrees by tomorrow morning. That is life-threatening cold. If you were outside with exposed skin like your hands or your ears, your face, you could get real quickly frostbite, and if you're not warm, you could get hypothermia fast, and that could lead to death. So that's what we've been trying to prepare you for and hope people take this seriously. The lake effect goes away after tomorrow night, and it's a Thursday, but still thinking 3 to 6 inches for many of you up in Michigan. Now, this is from tonight through Thursday morning with 6 to 10 inches north of 94. There's the core of the cold air. It's over us tomorrow morning, moderates a bit by Thursday, still dangerous cold, but then the moderation really gets its act together. We warm things up quickly by the weekend. Left number here is temperature, right number is wind chill. Watch the time. Tomorrow morning, well below zero. We're talking 20 to 25 degrees below zero with wind chills around 50 degrees below zero. You will notice here temperatures start to moderate, but not much. Still Thursday, really dangerous cold. By Friday, though, things are looking up just a little bit. Winds are the problem here. Still wind gusts anywhere from 25 to 35 miles an hour. How fast you can get frostbite? Pretty quick at these levels. The numbers here indicate wind chill values. The time below it indicates how long exposed skin until you get the beginning symptoms of frostbite. You're talking 3 to 5 minutes. That is pretty remarkable. Speaking of cold, the all-time coldest is 22 below zero ever on any date in this area. 8 below zero, the all-time coldest high temperature. Our forecast is 22 and 12 below. We have the potential to bust both of those in one day, which in itself is an incredible feat. Here's a look at the forecast. Record cold tonight, double digits below zero. Wind chill values around 50 below. We don't make much progress tomorrow. That is dangerous cold. Please, if you have to travel, make sure you've got supplies in your car in case you break down. You do not want to be outside for a long time with temperatures like this. But look how we moderate. Upper 40s to lower 50s by early next week, albeit it's short-lived. It looks pretty cold thereafter. However, not this bad.
We'll need that to defrost.
Oh, it's going to feel like summer.
Yeah, we were out earlier tonight, right?
Let's
a little
not push
chilly.
it.
Well, after the next 2 days, I don't know. It's going to
Feel
feel
like summer.
It's going to feel pretty and nice.
All right.
All right.